This is the Potato Etiolation Lab for WSU AP Biology. This potato has been kept in the dark for approximately 3 months and has now been brought out in front of the light. While the potato was in the dark, it underwent the process of etiolation as a result of no light exposure to the various photoreceptor pigments. Due to this absence of light, very little chlorophyll is produced in order to conserve energy. Instead, long, hardy, pale-colored shoots spring up in the directions that weren't hindered by obstacles. Elongation is controlled by plant hormones known as auxins. After it has been exposed to sunlight, the potato undergoes the process of de-etiolation, formerly known as greening. In this, stem elongation slows, and more chlorophyll is produced as indicated by the green colors on the shoots and the production of more roots. De-etiolation occurs as a result of multiple steps of cell communication. The first step is known as response. This process is regulated by the exposure of various photoreceptor pigments to light. Phytochrome A and phytochrome B, which are located in the cytoplasm, both respond to an increasing proportion of red light to far red light, which occurs when the shoot comes out of the open, which then activates at least 2 signal transduction pathways. The next step is known as transduction. Light causes phytochrome to undergo a change in shape that leads to increases in levels of secondary messengers cyclic GMP and calcium. These are designed to amplify the signal and transfer it from the receptor to other proteins that carry out the response. One function of cyclic GMP is the activation of specific protein kinase 1, and calcium activates specific protein kinase 2, which are a diverse class of enzymes that influence the activation of other proteins by phosphorylation. The final step is known as response. The proteins we call specific transcription factors bind to specific regions of DNA and control the transcription of specific genes. This leads to the production of enzymes that can either function in photosynthesis directly, supply the chemical precursors necessary for chlorophyll production, and others regulate the levels of plant hormones. As an example, in the potato, we see auxin levels decrease, explaining the smaller shoots. Small leaves become to appear. It is important to know the effects of phototropism, which causes the leaves to orient themselves upward as a result to the overhead lamp, which supplies the light to the potato. And there you have it.